Today, I'll teach you all how to reinforce a fabric in order to create a gorgeous outfit that is embellished with 3D appliques. If you'd be interested in learning all about this, please make sure you watch this video all the way through. This video will help you create 3D appliques easily using any type of fabric, so I suggest you endeavor to pay attention, subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with a friend, and don't hesitate to leave me your thoughts down in the comment section. Alright guys, let's get started. Hi guys, I hope this audio is clear. My main microphone, I just saw it now so that the battery was like blinking. I don't know how I didn't charge it, so I'm using my other microphone, so I hope you guys can hear me clearly. All right, so I'm only filming this portion of the video for people that are new here. I've done this in one of my previous videos. So what I'm doing here is I'm about to show you guys how to reinforce your fabric. This fabric that I have here is a damask fabric. OGs on this channel, I know you guys have seen this fabric in one of my very old videos. So I just want to cut a little portion of this organza fabric real quick using my fabric scissors. For those that are curious, this scissors, I got it off of Amazon like 2 years ago, and I think I did a video talking about it. And like I always say with reinforced fabric, you can use the exact same fabric, double it, like wrong sides facing each other, so I have this item right here. This is hemming gum. So I could have decided to fuse two of these organza fabric together, but for the sake of today's video, I just want to do something a bit different. I'm going to be fusing this organza fabric with this fabric right here. When I talked about fabrics, I have a different video where I talk just about fabrics. I told you guys that in the local markets out here in Nigeria, this fabric is called Yuri material. Honestly, don't ask me how the name came. That's just what it's called out here in Nigeria. If you don't know, I live in Port Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria. I know even though I'm saying this in this video, somebody in the comment section will still come and ask me, where do you live? All those things just helps me know that the person did not watch the video or they were skipping through. So that's why they are asking that type of question. So I'm doubling it up with this Yuri material. So I'm just going to cut off. Why is my voice acting up? I just woke up. I'm just going to cut off the quantity of this that I need real quick. Right. So now that we have something like this, this is the right side of my organza. I said organza, my damask fabric. So I'm just going to layer up my hemming gum on this side of the Yuri material. For those that are new to this entire thing and are curious, oh, where can I get hemming gum from? It's very popular. You will find it in any random sewing accessories shop, at least out here where I live in Nigeria, and I believe it's the same thing for a city like Lagos and Abuja. So just walk into any sewing accessories shop in your neighborhood and buy. But for me, I bought mine from Mr. Okoro. If you know, you know. Mr. Okoro is one of my trusted vendors out here in Port Harcourt. I buy a lot of things from him, and I've done a tour of his shop on here on the channel before. So if you're new here, I'll link that video on the screen for you. You can go check it out. So you see how I just layered up the hemming gum in between the fabric. Just adjust them a little bit. I saw that my organza dropped. So I'm just going to pick up this organza as well and place it on the fabric like so. So say something like this. And for me personally, I like to just go ahead one more time and cut off all the excesses, or excess, whatever English it is. Just cut it off on the edge. Now that I have something like this, I'm just going to grab this lining piece of fabric and place it on top like so. And then grab my steam iron and iron. This step of adding a random piece of fabric on top of what you're ironing, very important. If you place your iron directly onto your fabric, it's not going to end well, so don't make that mistake. Now that I've secured that in, I'm just going to cut off the excess on this side as well. This process, easy peasy lemon squeezy. But I know that between the time when I did the last video on how this entire process works and now, we've almost doubled in size, or if not more than doubled or tripled in size with our number on the channel. So I just knew that I had to do it again just for my newbies. So I hope we all understood the gist of this. Let me just remove this and show you guys. Now we see what we have going on here. Just also going to cut off all the excesses here as well. I'm just going to flip my fabric to the back and give it another good press. You want to press it very, very well to make sure that it won't start opening up. With hemming gum, it's a type of gum used in fashion design, and its job is to help you fuse things together. But you need heat, which is the heat you are getting from your steam iron. It's that heat that will help you basically achieve what you're trying to achieve. So I hope we all enjoyed this portion of the video. I don't know if this entire process will be part of a tutorial or I'm just going to upload it individually on the channel. Alright guys, so after creating this reinforced fabric, you can now cut it into any shape of your choice to create 3D appliques for your gorgeous outfit designs. In another video, I'll be sharing with you all how you can use your regular net fabric to create a 3D applique. I got a question from one of us recently asking me to discuss how to use net to create 3D appliques. She was asking if it was only organza that can be used. Please note that you can use any type of fabric. It's just the technique that you use in creating your 3D applique that makes all the difference. So make sure that you turn on your post notifications, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss that tutorial when it drops. Like this video. Alright guys, let's go back to the main video. If you enjoyed watching, if you learned something, please give me a big fat thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, I make a lot of tutorials, as I'm sure you can tell if you look through my channel. You see that I have over 300 videos already teaching you things on different topics relating to fashion and sewing and craft. So please subscribe, share this video with a friend, someone that you think would benefit from this. Please share with them. And yeah friends, I can't wait to see you in another video very, very soon. Bye bye.